Origin of the Rajputs. The origin of the Rajputs is a topic of historical debate and speculation. Rajputs themselves trace their ancestry to the Kshatriya, warrior, caste of ancient India. According to traditional accounts, Rajputs claim descent from the ruling dynasties of ancient India, such as the Suryavanshi, descendants of the solar deity Surya, Chandravanshi, descendants of the lunar deity Chandra, and Agnivanshi, descendants of the fire deity Agni. It is believed that the Rajputs emerged as a distinct social group around the 6th to 7th century in the western and northwestern regions of India. They played a significant role in resisting Arab and Turkic invasions during the medieval period. Rajput dynasties established numerous princely states and kingdoms in different parts of present-day Rajasthan and surrounding areas. However, the exact origins of the Rajputs are complex and not entirely clear. Historians have put forth various theories based on archaeological, historical, and genealogical evidence. Some theories suggest that the Rajputs were a mix of indigenous tribes, foreign migrants, and intermarriage between different groups. There are also theories that propose a connection between Rajputs and Central Asian warrior clans. Rajputs assimilated diverse cultural elements and adopted various regional traditions, which contributed to their distinct identity. Over time, they developed a unique code of honor, chivalry, and martial traditions that became synonymous with the Rajput ethos. It's worth noting that the concept of Rajput evolved and expanded over time. Initially, it referred to the ruling elite, but later it became more inclusive and encompassed a broader group of warrior communities. It's important to approach the topic of Rajput origins with an understanding that historical research and evidence can be complex and sometimes contradictory. The study of Rajput history continues to evolve, and new discoveries and interpretations may shed more light on their origins in the future.